Take out a brand new high melting battery. This is waterproof glue battery glue. This is a brand new battery. Insulation stickers and cable protection boards. Take out a dedicated spot welder. Fix the cable. Align the corresponding position. Start spot welding. The protective plate of the original battery is spot welded by laser. I'm used to doing more spot welding. The purpose is to make it stronger. Internal resistance is smaller. Spot welding completed. We spot weld the other side in the same way. The same is multi-spot welding twice. All spot welding completed. This is where the solder joints on the back are clearly visible. We need to fold it here. If it is not folded, the cable will easily reach the screen. Paste the first full layer of stickers. Fold back cable. This position is exactly where we just folded. The line goes right down. It's not easy to touch the screen. Install the cable protection board. Start to paste the second layer of insulation stickers. The battery has been transplanted. Let's stick this round battery glue. Protective plate fixed to the original battery. This is for the convenience of pressing the battery later. Next, we enter the underlying data of the high-capacity battery. This is the data made by our factory. The input data is to make the battery discharge more stable. Power down stable. Data written. Let's install the screen first. Install an original battery and let the phone pop up. The purpose is to clear the phone's memory of the previous battery. This cable must use the original cable. If using a third-party cable, it is easy to expand the base below. Poor contact of the battery detection pin. Let's turn on the phone, and the mobile phone will pop up. The purpose of the pop-up window is to clear the memory of the battery before the phone. Important information appears in the prompt position. Let's remove the screen and battery. Install this transplanted battery. Put in the battery pressing tool and press back and forth 3 times. Press to complete. Remove the battery protection plate. Paste the brand new original factory waterproof glue. The original factory waterproof glue has the effect of waterproof and dustproof. Restores the airtightness of mobile phones. Tear off the second protective film of waterproof glue.